When it comes to creating a form, one of the final things that you need to complete is a forms email. So this is all about setting up that form email at the very end of the form. Now, first of all, I'm going to click into the change of home address form. And of course, we've got these tabs at the top: edit, pages, diagram, email. Clicking into email, this is where we can set up a final email that will, of course, send out at the end of a form when the form has been approved. So you really need to remember with an email, this isn't what email will go out throughout the form. That's based on the permissions within the form. This email is the final email that will be sent out at the very end of the form if it is approved. So of course, first of all, you can pop in an email subject. So I generally go for similarities within the actual form's title. So change of home address. You can pop in who it should go to. So you can pop in the email address. If you do wish to add more than one email address in the email to field, just do put a semicolon, then a space, and start typing in the next email address. You can pop in email CCs, BCCs as well. Now this is your email body at the bottom, so do of course type in any information that you wish, okay? And you can also use these parameter areas over to the right hand side to fill in certain information. So of course, we are popping in a change of home address, and it is going to us here at Interact and our training email. And these parameter areas are your pages. So there is an address details page, and there is a HR acknowledgement page. Depending on what page you choose, you can then choose specific parameters. So for example, if I go for address detail elements, okay, we can then choose the first name field, the full address. So we could pop in an email to say hi, and then we could go first name, take that code, pop it in, pop a space, because then we want their surname, take that code, copy it, paste it in, has changed their address, the new address is below, please update their file. And then of course we want the full address, so we take that code. So anything that's typed into the full address field, if it's a text area, it will bring it all through. Pop that in, and then we can put thanks, okay. And then this time I'm going to go for the HR acknowledgement elements, and then of course we've got HR contact, okay. So I'm going to take that HR contact box, which of course is going to be the person from HR who has acknowledged this form and have confirmed it and approved it, so therefore it's signed from that specific person. So that could then go through of course to your HR department. You know, one person signed it off, but there's a team of 15 people, for example, so it can go through to a specific person. It can go through to a group email, as you can see as well. Once you're happy, simply click active and then save. Of course, you can save in the meantime and ensure that it's not active just yet, but of course when it is active, do remember that that form will generate at the very end of the form once it has been approved.